Hey, how you doing? This is Walter Cannon, your everyday guy. Finally coming back to you. I know it's been a long time. I missed you. I hope you miss us. I'm here with the man. We're in the Palace.
The Palace.
Hot Rod, Rodney A. Ramirez. A is for always, because Rodney's always coming up with something. So, Rodney, why don't you tell me what you have today?
Definitely. Good afternoon. My name is Rodney Ramirez from EverydayGuy.tv, and today I will be making a Southern Country Project macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese.
I will be doing that with sharp cheddar cheese, some macaronis, and a half a bag of ziti, because I ran out of macaroni.
That's how they do it in the hood.
Yeah.
Today, what I'm gonna do, because we can't just not live on macaroni alone.
That's correct, sir.
So we got a sirloin tip that we've already began to slice up. I bought it whole, and I slice it up. I'm gonna pound it out so that it cooks evenly. Gotta take my knife, my fork, poke a couple holes in it for you. Make sure that the seasoning get in there. We're gonna stuff it with some ricotta cheese and some fresh Vidalia onions, some little Vidalia onions, and Cubanelle peppers. And then on top of that, I'm gonna make some meatballs for you with potatoes. Meatballs are gonna be, I like to make meatballs using 3 different types of meat. So I use pork, I use some fresh veal, some lamb, some ground veal, ground lamb, and I got a little sausage, pork sausage filling to go in with it. And I'm gonna top it off with some cheese and some breadcrumbs. So it should be good. Stay tuned. Coat the cheese out and fill that up with it. You'll see that. And then we're gonna wrap it up and then top it. When we top it, we're gonna top it with some bacon. It's gonna be delicious. Gonna cook it to a nice little medium rare. Slice it up. From a lot of you that don't know, sirloin tip is probably one of my favorites. I spent a lot of time in Brazil, and in Brazil they make something from the top sirloin that's called picanha. So, and also in a lot of parts of Brazil, you'll see them stuff it like that. They'll stuff it with celery, carrots, and everything else. So what I stolen the idea, put a little everyday guy twist on it, and so put some ricotta cheese on there. And there's no real style to this, I'm not it's everyday guy cooking right here. It's not any special effects. This is how we cook. This is how you cook. Everyday guy cooking here. Put some ricotta cheese. It's gonna keep.
Good afternoon once again, Rodney Ramirez. I just boiled the macaroni and a half a bag of ziti, like I said before. I'm just gonna strain it and then put it into a pan with some whipped eggs and butter sauce, and then add the cheese and so on and so forth, so I can make the macaroni cheese that I'm making. Macaronis with the whipped butter eggs, but the reason why I spray the pan so the macaroni really doesn't get stuck and it gets cooked on the outside, and I want it extra crispy on top. You want to hold it up so you can drain all the water out so your macaroni doesn't become soggy.
Where'd you cook those to? Look like you cooked them to al dente or something.
Al dente.
Yeah, okay.
Definitely.
Okay, so what's the reason for that?
The reason for that is because I'm going to bake them. I want them to come out extra crispy on top. And then al dente in the center. This way, that's the way people like them. So that I'm cooking for the people that are gonna eat. If you was a female, then I'd be cooking different.
Oh, he always cooks different for the female.
Macaroni to have some cheese on it. So it's kind of hot still, but you might want to wait. This way some cheese gets on the bottom. And then put more cheese on top. And that's it. What I'm gonna do now is I preheat the oven, so I'm gonna put it in the oven right now so it can bake. And that's it. Yeah, this is the way your macaroni cheese is gonna look if you follow the guidelines, so on and so forth. And soon we will be taking it out when it's extra crispy. This is medium crisp. Thank you very much, and we'll get back to you soon. No, 507.
All right, so we're here in Jesus and with the gang and Martinez Cigars. Gonna look at the food and see how it came out. As you see, we got the sirloin tip wrapped in bacon and stuff. Let's cut it open. Here it is. Right about where we want it.
Brought him out on the field. It was the most amazing thing to see.
All right, so hey, here we are. Martinez Cigars, Wally, at Everyday Guy TV, www.everydayguy.tv. Remember to check us out.
Very good. Thank you, Wally. Everyday Guy TV.
Rough season himself.
Yeah.
So his rough season is still great.
All right.
Oh shit!
Yes, sir.
How's the food going?
Thank you,
It's excellent. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Like A-Rod. He has
Ah, no. Desde aquí te ganó Jesús Monstruo. Desde aquí.
loco por dejar la vaina.
Tell him, Wally.
I can't cry on everybody, baby.
Wally, tell him something.
I went up here.